guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monique, and today I tried out a couple new products from the Havana Camila Cabello line with L'Oreal, and I tried out a new mascara. If you like this bronze glowy look, please continue to watch. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Let's get started. Alright, so before I get started on my eyes, I did already do my eyebrows off camera, and I did already prime this eye. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face, and today I'm going to use, I'm just going to go back to Old Faithful, my NYX Angel Veil. I'm going to put a little bit of this on. But I'm also going to put on some eye cream. And I'm going to use the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream, just so my eyes don't look as puffy. The eye cream that I use this in the morning and at night. So I don't want to rub. I just want to pat this in underneath my eyes. Alright, and while that's setting, I'm going to go ahead and start on my eyes. So today I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to use my Morphe 3502, and I'm also going to use my Morphe 35W palette. So I'm going to take, what is this called? I'm going to take Spice and Terracotta, these two colors. I'm going to mix them. And I'm going to put this in my crease and kind of blend it up to my brow bone just a little bit. I'm going really light-handed with this because I don't want it to overdo it. Blow this out just a little bit and bring it up right above my crease. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with just Terracotta, and I'm going to deepen the crease. And I'm also going to bring this into the crease as well, just below that first transition color. I'm also bringing this terracotta color halfway on my eyelid. So I'm going to take this color right here. I'm going to use my finger to put this all over my lid. Right, so I put that more on the center. And then I'm going to go back in with my 3502. And I'm going to take the color Zodiac right here. And I'm going to put that on the beginning of my eye, like right here. Okay, so now you see those two gold colors on my eyelid, the lighter one and then the darker one. I'm gonna go back in with that transition brush, just to blend. And I also need to deepen up this crease. So I'm gonna go back into my 3502. And I wanna take the color Brunette, this dark brown, and use a different brush. I'm put a little bit on there, tap the excess off, and just deepen up my crease just a little bit. So today I'm going to be using this NYX Matte Liquid Liner to do a pretty dramatic wing. So the lashes I'm going to be using today are from Eyelure, from Jasmine Brown. I don't remember the exact name of them, but I do know they're from Jasmine Brown. I'm going to put my lash glue on. I'm going to put my mascara on. Alright, so while that's dry, I'm going to use this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I went to Ulta the other day and they had this package with the mascara and the sketch marker for only $25, so it made sense just to get it instead of just getting this one mascara that's like $23 itself. Alright, so hopefully the lashes are dry. So today I'm going to be using this Havana Camila Cabello liquid bronzer today. I'm really excited to be using this. It just came out like a week or so ago, but I've never used a liquid bronzer all over my face, so I'm really excited to see what happens with this. So I'm going to squeeze out just a little bit on my finger, just that much. I'm going to put this all over my face since I already primed. Can't tell if I see a glow yet. I'm gonna put on some more, see what happens. It says you can use alone or mix with a foundation for an instant Havana sunlit glow. I'm not getting that yet. Maybe a little bit. Is anybody else excited that she left Fifth Harmony? I am. She's better off without them. But I digress. I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution in F13. This is only the second time I've used this and I fell in love with it. So I want to use it again today instead of my Clinique foundation. Alright, going back to my handy dandy Y6. I think I do look a little bit more bronzy than usual. Alright, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm gonna take my sponge just to blend where my inner corner is. I am gonna bake just a little bit. I usually don't bake with this Tarte Shape Tape just because it tends to like clump just a little bit on my face. I'm just gonna do a little bit of powder. And then I'm gonna use my big fluffy brush just to set the rest of my face. Alright, so since we're going for a really bronzy look today, I'm going to be using this, what is this? The Park Avenue Princess from Tarte, and I'm really going to go in on the bronzer today. So I'm gonna take the color Crown and Angle. Yeah, Crown and Angle, and I'm really gonna go to town on my face. I'm gonna contour with the same brush, but this time I'm just gonna pinch it, and I'm only gonna take the color Angle since it doesn't have a lot of shimmer in it. So I'm just gonna contour with it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face just because I put a lot of powder on my face just now. So I'm gonna use, as soon as I find it, my Maybelline Make It Last spray. I'm just gonna blend all those powders in. Alright, so I'm gonna go back and finish my lower lash line. I'm gonna try something new today. Don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I'm gonna use, I don't know, a purple or a blue eyeliner. I think I'm gonna go purple. Cross your fingers. Purple's not really showing up. And this is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. And I'm gonna use this pencil brush just to blend that blue out. I'm gonna take the color, Spice to blend that out. Alright, now I'm gonna go back to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and put some mascara on my lower lashes. The only reason I got this mascara because in a previous video it was a haul. I got the Buxom mascara. I don't remember the exact name of it, but I hated it. Absolutely hated it. It was very wet, and whenever I would open my eyes, the mascara would get all over my eyelids, and it drove me insane. So I took it back and I exchanged it for the Better Than Sex mascara, but I would never get that mascara again. It was just not for me. Never again. So to highlight my brow bone and to do my inner corner, I'm gonna take the color Pure. I'm still in the 3502 palette. I'm gonna put that in my inner tear duct and on my brow bone. So I'm gonna be using this Becca highlighter in Prosecco Pop, and once again I'm really gonna go in on the highlighter just because this is a really bronze kind of shiny look. I'm gonna put a lot of highlighter on today. And I normally don't contour my nose a lot. I just don't really like it on me. So the last thing we need to do is I'm gonna try this Havana Cabello, what is this, the lip gloss? In the color, I think Brilliant. It's a lip dew. But first I'm gonna use a pencil. So I'm gonna take this NYX lip liner in brown. This kind of smells like, kind of like a vanilla bakery type smell. It's really strong. I'm usually not, oh, that was a weird sound. I'm usually not into lip glosses or lip toppers just because I don't like my mouth to be like wet. I prefer a matte lip, but I decided to try this just because I'm going for that bronzy summer glow. But this isn't one of those lip dews that you get those lines because they stick together. So I think it's pretty good. Spray my face one more time. Still gonna use the Make It Last from Milani. Alright, we're all done. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye.